Welcome to Curie Electronics. This is a lecture series of analog communication for diploma students or polytechnic students who are doing 3-year diploma. So we are not going in depth in these lectures. This is just exam based explanation so that you can just watch the video, you can write your notes and just appear for the exam. So in analog communication, we are following the textbook of Shashidhar. Okay. That is Analog Communication by Shashidhar. That is the book we are following. Now, okay, today in the first lecture, we will learn about Thevenin. So the unit 1 of this BTE syllabus, we will learn about network theorems, first chapter. Unit 1. In Unit 1, we have to learn about Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, maximum power transfer theorem, superposition theorem, and some of the problems. So today we will learn Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem. This is the Thevenin's theorem. Any two-terminal linear bilateral network consisting of several fixed value resistors and voltage sources can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a single voltage source ETH and a series resistor RTH. This is the statement of Thevenin's theorem. So, what it says, we'll see. A two-terminal linear network. Linear network means what? When you draw the graph between linear means when you draw the graph between voltage and current, voltage versus current, you should get a linear line passing through origin, just like Ohm's law. That is what linear. Bilateral means, see, you have a voltage source, if you change the direction also, if you change the polarity of this voltage source, that is voltage source V1, you will get a straight line, only the direction changes. The property doesn't change. But if this is bilateral network, bilateral property doesn't change. If we change the direction of the voltage source, bilateral, this is bilateral. And what about unilateral? Unilateral, if you see, we have a diode here. Instead of R1, if there's a diode, this, when you change the polarity of the, when we change the polarity of this voltage source, now this is V1. If we change the polarity of this voltage source, the property of the circuit changes. If we change, the diode is not going to conduct. So it doesn't have a same relationship, it is different. That is what called bilateral. So these are the two terms you should know. What is linear and bilateral? Now, if they ask you in the question, in the exam, what is Thevenin's theorem? Then you have to write any two-terminal linear bilateral network consisting of several fixed value resistors. Now I'll draw an example circuit for you. Example. This is V1. There could be one voltage or a number of voltage source. And this end we are going to connect the load RL. So like this network consisting of several resistors and voltage sources, in this one I am showing only one voltage source but there could be more than 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, can be replaced with a Thevenin equivalent circuit. The Thevenin equivalent circuit is consist of ETH. This is the ETH and a series resistor RTH. And here, so this is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. So you have to write this definition, then draw these two diagrams. This is the equivalent circuit, Thevenin equivalent circuit. Thevenin equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit. So you have to write the statement, then draw these two circuits, and that should be sufficient for a question. Okay guys, so the next lecture we will see what are the steps to be followed to convert a network to Thevenin network, and how to solve simple problems. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends.